Are you looking for the best glue for vinyl pool repair? The rising popularity of mechanical keyboards shows how users value durability, precision, and consistent performance, qualities that matter just as much when choosing glue for vinyl pool repair. Just as typists and gamers compare switch type, build quality, layout, and value, pool owners must evaluate adhesive strength, waterproof reliability, curing time, and versatility.
Product number 1. Vinyl Cement, 2.03 ounces. High-strength waterproof PVC repair glue. This high-strength vinyl cement is designed for fast, reliable repairs on a wide range of vinyl surfaces. Whether you're fixing pool liners, inflatables, tarps, or hot tubs, the waterproof formula bonds tightly even under full submersion. Its 2.03-ounce size makes it compact yet sufficient for multiple repairs, ideal for homeowners who occasionally deal with leaks or punctures. The glue forms a flexible but extremely durable bond, preventing peeling or cracking over time. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to cure underwater, meaning you don't have to drain your pool to perform repairs, an essential feature for convenience and cost savings. The kit typically includes patches, allowing users to complete repairs quickly without buying extra materials. While it's less industrial than some larger HH66 products, its ease of use and impressive strength make it an excellent choice for day-to-day pool patching needs.
Product number 2. HH66 Vinyl Cement 4 ounces High-strength waterproof vinyl adhesive. HH66 is widely regarded as the gold standard for vinyl repair, and this 4-ounce can offers professional-grade performance. Its fast-drying formula provides an exceptionally strong yet flexible bond, ensuring that patches stay secure even under heavy water pressure. Ideal for inflatables, pool liners, tarps, tents, and awnings, it remains permanently waterproof after curing. What makes HH66 stand out is its ability to bond both similar and dissimilar vinyl materials, enhancing versatility for complex repairs. It applies smoothly with a brush and sets quickly, allowing most repairs to be completed in minutes. Users appreciate that it withstands extreme temperatures, UV exposure, and constant pool chemicals without weakening. While the formula contains strong solvents and requires ventilation during application, the result is a long-lasting, professional-level repair that rivals commercial pool service results. This 4-ounce size is perfect for medium-sized repairs or for keeping on hand throughout the swimming season.
Product number 3. HH66 toluene-free vinyl cement 4 ounces, safer high-strength vinyl adhesive. For users who prefer a safer, low-odor option without compromising quality, HH66's toluene-free version is an excellent alternative. This 4-ounce can contains a reformulated adhesive that eliminates toluene while maintaining nearly the same bonding strength and durability of the original. It's ideal for pool liners, inflatables, tarps, and any vinyl product exposed to moisture or outdoor elements. Despite being solvent-reduced, it bonds quickly and securely, forming a flexible seal that resists peeling, stretching, and chemical degradation. The waterproof performance remains outstanding, and like the classic HH66, it can handle high water pressure and long exposure to UV rays. This version is especially preferred for indoor use, tight spaces, or users sensitive to strong chemical fumes. While it's set slightly slower than the original formula, the safety benefits and reliable results make it an excellent environmentally conscious choice for vinyl pool repair.
Product number 4. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape, Clear, 4 inches by 8 feet. Although not a glue, Gorilla's waterproof patch and seal tape is one of the most reliable emergency repair solutions for vinyl pools. This clear, extra-wide tape creates a permanent, airtight, and watertight seal that holds up against pressure and submersion. Its thickness and rubberized adhesive layer allow it to conform to uneven surfaces, making it ideal for sealing cracks, punctures, and small tears. The tape works both underwater and on dry surfaces, offering instant leak control without waiting for curing time. Its transparent finish blends seamlessly with pool liners and inflatables, making repairs less noticeable than traditional patches. While it may not be suitable for structural repairs or large tears where cement-based adhesives are better, it excels as a quick, dependable fix for mid-season emergencies. For pool owners who want a simple, no-mess solution that sticks instantly, this tape is an essential backup tool. Product number 5. HH66 Vinyl Cement 8-ounce Professional-grade large-volume repair adhesive. This 8-ounce can of HH66 vinyl cement is ideal for those who frequently repair vinyl surfaces or handle larger-scale projects. It delivers the same legendary bonding strength as the standard 4-ounce version, but in a more economical size for repeated or heavy-duty use. Its fast-acting formula creates a flexible, waterproof seal that withstands pool chemicals, UV exposure, cold temperatures, and high pressure. Perfect for pool liners, inflatable boats, tarps, covers, awnings, and other heavy vinyl applications, HH66 forms a bond so strong it often outlasts the original material. The adhesive applies easily with the built-in brush and dries within minutes, enabling efficient repair workflows. Though the strong solvent smell requires proper ventilation, the performance is unmatched for professional or high-use scenarios. If you want industrial reliability and more product for the cost, the 8-ounce HH66 is the best choice.